So how to cancel your TV license. So to go ahead and cancel your TV license, it's very simple to do. So first things first, you're going to want to go to the TV licensing website and come to this web page here where it says refunds and cancellations. But I'll also leave a link below in the description. But once you're on this page here, if you have a TV license and you wish to cancel, you can go ahead and select cancel right here. Then once you've selected cancel, it will prompt you to explain why you wish to cancel your TV license. And for example, if your reason is you no longer watch live TV or watch BBC iPlayer, you can go ahead and select this option right here, which says I no longer watch TV or any channel or service or use BBC iPlayer. So you go ahead and select that. And then once you've done that, you then just need to go ahead and enter your TV license number. So this is a 10-digit number that is shown on your license, but you'll also find it on any TV license letter or email. Then once you've entered your TV license number, you can go ahead and click continue. And once you've clicked continue, in some cases it may ask you to fill out an online form. However, in my case, it has asked me to contact TV licensing directly through the phone. So like me, if you are told to contact TV licensing through the phone, just ring the number provided, explain your circumstances, and tell them that you wish to cancel. And the call handler should advise you on the next steps from there. But as I said before, if you no longer watch live TV or use BBC iPlayer, make that clear and tell them that's why you wish to cancel. But once you've either made the call to TV licensing or completed the online form if they've given you one, that is all you need to do on your side, and TV licensing from that point will review your request and will get in touch if they need any further information. But one thing I would advise is don't assume your TV licensing is cancelled until you receive direct confirmation from TV licensing yourself, confirming that your TV license has been cancelled. Jumping back to the original web page at the start of this video, you may also be entitled to a TV license refund, and you'll normally be entitled to a refund if you have paid for additional months that you no longer need a TV license for. So to go ahead and claim any refunds, you can click apply right here, and you can then fill out this online form to go ahead and apply for any TV licensing refunds that you may be entitled to. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.